Plachinda, that's right. Okay.
Don't be thinking I'm going to be making this once you get it on your video.
Oh.
Just watch the video and drool, see?
There's one. Two. I usually do just
2 cups.
2 cups, But this time we have hungry mouths to feed, so.
That's probably true. I would have slept. I would have tried to sleep on the flight, but it was a bummer.
Put in.
Well, the first leg was crowded.
See
There was
that?
just, everybody was packed in, like
Okay.
some, well, in front and behind.
I have a cup of
And
water.
then after we stopped in Indianapolis,
Row.
yeah,
From where to where?
Okay.
from
Like 2
We're
seasons.
gonna put these
Yeah,
two
like
in together.
three.
Three and three.
What's in the container on the right?
Oil, cup of oil.
A cup of oil?
Uh-huh.
And it's a half a cup of warm water or water?
It's just tepid water, just tap water. Okay. It's kind of a do. Now this one is good, and so it doesn't turn out as good as the one that does. Have more gluten in it. Okay.
So it's like bread flour would be better that has more gluten.
That's right. Are you still making bread? That's about right. Good to go. See, it doesn't have to be too mixed. Here it is, ready to go. Now we'll get some brown sugar. I think it's behind you. You have to put some salt in here, too, because it won't taste right if salt brings out the sugar.
Our sugar is where? Behind me?
No, Susan just had it here, right there. There it
Oh,
is.
right here.
It takes about a half a cup of sugar, I think, because
So you set the oven about 375?
so I have it at 375.
So what we were doing to salt there, that was about...
Just about a half a teaspoon per batch. I'm making a double batch, so. And we mix it all up real good.
So if it was a batch, we'd put a...
Half a teaspoon.
Half a
No, I
teaspoon.
know,
It depends on,
half a teaspoon,
it
but...
depends on the salt. Some salt is not as salty.
No, but
You have to taste it.
I mean,
When you-
the can of pumpkin.
Oh.
You put a whole can of
Yeah,
pumpkin.
this is a big can of pumpkin that makes a
and
double batch.
you'd put half of that in if you were doing a half batch.
Yeah, ordinarily it would be half that small.
And you put how much sugar in?
I put about a fourth of a cup, or depending on the pumpkin, okay? Yeah, want to taste that? You get,
So the dough's been sitting a little while. Is there a purpose to that?
no, it doesn't hurt it.
Doesn't matter.
No, like that. There. This might not be big enough. I need a spoon. Adam can get me a spoon out of one of those drawers. Or the one that, here you go. Okay. You want it again?
Okay, yeah.
Huh? So you just do it like that. And kind of twist it around.
So you leave the wax paper on it.
Yeah, this wax paper. I needed to put a little bit of flour on it. Okay.
Flour.
Okay. There it is. Now, that one got a hole.
Okay.
Not too much of it. Okay, and see this? Okay. There, this one I didn't poke, so I'll poke that one.
So now when you get done making the pan of them, you put them in and at 375 for how long?
Well, that's till they get around. about 35 minutes, something like that.
Okay, and that's it?
That's it. Just take them out and eat 'em.
Some water for now?
Here's my soup drink.